Hello everyone, let's make the moon and the cloud like this. Now tear out the green paper and make the ground. Yeah, just like this. Now we'll make a small little bunny like this. Add the little hands and the legs and let it sit on the ground. Make more of his friends also. Now we'll add some details to the ground like grass and some more grass. Yeah, now we'll add the sprinkle to the background making the sky of the picture. Now take a sheet and make the mark like this. Now add the clay and spread it using a fork like this. Yes, you are making a feather. Now make some flowers and stick the double-sided tape to its back. Now we have some glue pen also, using which we can stick anything which we want, just like this. This makes very easy to stick the thing on the paper and it is very less messy also. Using this we have made such a colorful tree, right? Now take a leaf and mark circle on it like this. Now cut the circle out. Yeah, just like this. You have to make more circles making the caterpillar. Yeah, make the antenna and the eyes of the caterpillar. Make these two little legs to each circle. Now make the sun in the background. Thanks for watching.